exit that I'm gonna go, so I just need to figure out where to go in. Guys, here it is. Here it is. So here it is. This is where I'm gonna get my oil change and stuff. And how cool is that? And she's gonna drive in. I'm telling you, this is cool. So yeah, see guys, that's what it showed me on my dashboard. So sometimes when it shows you, it's not telling you that it's just warning you to let you know that, hey, go do it real quick. So but with my car, I do everything quick. Oh my god, I need gas. But yeah guys, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how they work in there if I can. But if I can't, you know, I'll be right back getting my oil change. So see guys, hey guys, so I'm about to end out the vlog. I am just hopping on camera to tell you guys, like up the video, share up the video, comment down below what's up, what's up, what's up. I'm about to go pick up mommy and then we go home. So guys, that's it for today vlog. Continue to keep safe. Don't forget to read your Bible, pray, ask God for guidance in anything that you are doing, and I will see you in the next vlog. Okay guys, I know next vlog is gonna be exciting, I think. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to like up the video, share up the video, subscribe to the thing. It's free. Subscribe to your girl. Let me know so you're here. You understand? Like up the video, share up the video, comment. Don't watch and don't like and comment. Alright? Let me know who is here. Wake up, my 1,000 subscribers. And wake up. It's been 3 years. Yes, I know. Wake up. Kimmy is back. Alright? Tell a friend to tell a friend so for watch today with Kimmy. Alright? Alright guys. Bye.